getting old when full of muscle trying to swat a wasp. Gotta limber up to swat a bug. Getting old. Alright everybody, welcome back to How I Did It Garage. I'm just waking up. Caffeine ain't kicked in yet. Got a lot to do today though. Gotta mow this yard. Gotta mow the neighbor's yard. Gotta go to the parts house, get the water pump. For the Camaro. Come back and put it on. But talking about it ain't gonna get it done. Getting it done is gonna get it done. Let's go. Got another project on the to-do list. I was mowing the neighbor's yard and I hit something. I don't know what it was. It looked like some electronic, little square box of some sort. It fried my bearings, or at least on one of them. This front one right here sounds awful. That's what it's supposed to sound like. Well, got some more projects. Plan on just doing the water pump Camaro. Now, I got this with a messed up spindle. That needs an oil change with a stripped out oil pan bolt. More stuff to do. That's my stepson. It's his Camaro. Got to get it going for him. First, we got to clean this garage up so we can get it in there because it is hot today and I don't want to do all this stuff in the heat. So, let's go. So starting off, to make it where this won't happen again, I'm going to open this up and verify what size this is. It is an M12, so most likely this is probably going to be metric. Not a 15. It's not a 14. There's a 12. Bigger than a 12, so it's probably a 13. 13 right here, though. That's a winner. So it's a 13 millimeter. Now you know. Either a 13 millimeter wrench or soft try. I'm going to try these pliers first to see what it looks like. Hope I was going the right way. This is why cheap tools is not good. Ooh, it's a little hot. Yeah, your old one didn't have the magnetic tip on it. That's good, because what that magnetic tip will do will, if you have any metal shavings, it'll stick to it. So whenever you drain your oil, it'll help you know how much wear is going through your engine or if something crazy is going on with it. Also, it will stick to there instead of recirculating through your engine and possibly causing more wear. That's why the magnetic magnets are good. So if you have a Camaro V6 2014, this right here is where your drain plug is. Back there is your transmission pan. The one right before it is your oil pan to be on the passenger side. So I got the bolt out that was stripped. The head of it was stripped, the threads wasn't. If it was the threads, it'd be a lot bigger issue. But now, let you take over, John. Got the oil drained out. New plug back in it. No oil in it. Yep, you're right. Oil filter. There's a lot of large sockets over there. I can't remember what size it was last time. It might have been a 15/16. Grab that one that's just sitting over there. Yep. Try that one. Is that it? It'll work. It's a little loose, but it'll probably work. It might be metric. So that's the larger one, so it's a 1/2 inch. Explain underneath the car what happened to me is with this cheap pair, you know, it's cheap metal, probably really soft metal. Whenever I was trying to squeeze on it, put so much force on that little indentation right there that was slipping in these slots. So I couldn't get no grip on it. So these are rusty and old, but they're a good name brand. Channel locks, as you see where it's made in. USA, of course. Way to go. These style of filters, the Malibu is the same way. I don't like it. This is a lot easier to get off than the Malibu though. What do you think, John? I think this one's easier than the Malibu?
Way easier. That one's like down there.
That's what you got. Yeah, see on this one's aluminum. On the Malibu, oh shit, that is hot. It's plastic. It strips out real easy. Walk it on down to the O-ring groove that you pulled the O-one off of. Yeah, I don't think it matters. I think you can put it in there either way, the way it looks. They're both the same on both sides. Get it back in there so the filter don't pop off, and just screw her back in. Then we're going to put about 6 quarts of oil, because I believe that's what this car takes. Check the oil dipstick, and this project's done. If you're wondering how tight to get this, with this style, this O-ring is recessed right here. It's not on this lip. So really you can get as tight as you want to, because this right here is going inside of a recess. So I figured out what was going on with the mower. Big object in the neighbor's yard. This is it. Got 4 bolts out from the top, or nuts out from the top and bolts from the bottom. Took this retainer clip, removed it from here. Everything dropped right out. And the bottom one, which would took most of the force, it still spins, but it's ball bearings are ate up in there probably. To get 3 new sets is about $79. To get one, I think, is $34. So what I'm gonna do, I don't know if you can see or not, but that is a 6205 bearing. I'm gonna see how much those cost. Probably just replace that myself. So I just looked it up. For 2 of these, it's gonna be $20. And that's for the Timken brand, which I deal with a lot at work. I like it. There's the SKE or SKU. I think it's a little bit cheaper than, of course, a lot of Chinese bearings. But from my experience, you really don't want to go that route. I mean, these are the Timken's going to fail too. Anything with a lot of jarring or wear or speed or heat, it's going to fail eventually. But I've noticed that the Timkens work a lot better. You know, I get 2 for $20. That would fix this. Be ready to rock and roll. I'll put a link in the description below of the bearings I bought for this. Finally, to the main project I've been trying to get to. Before the mower messed up and the oil change. Went to the parts house, got the water pump, got the radiator ordered. That'll be here tomorrow. Once I get all that together, I'm going to gas up the Freon, and then I'm going to troubleshoot the fans, figure out why the fans ain't coming on. Got everything taken out, got the radiator taken out, got a new one coming tomorrow. I'll have to go pick it up tomorrow. Everything's out of here that I'm aware of now. Should be able to just pry off. If I remember correctly, it goes through the oppospark and into the camshaft. Or it might go above the oppospark. I can't remember. Well, it's the next morning I'm here at AutoZone waiting on the parts truck. They said to be here this morning. Parts truck ain't here yet, so now we just gotta, you know, hurry up. And finished up getting the water pump on last night, got everything bolted back up, got the new radiator. This one comes with the transmission cooler lines, which I don't need, but I guess it's probably how all of them comes nowadays. So I got the rubber boot on the bottom transferred over, all the hoses, I got the sensor replaced or swapped over. I'm ready to put her back in there. Well, I got her fixed. She drives. Made it to work. About to go on break, get something to eat. And she died on me. So I believe it's out of gas though. I don't think it's nothing else. I got some gas on the way. John's gonna bring me some gas, and hopefully that fixes the issue. I'll make another video about it. But if that does fix it, I believe I'm gonna wrap this video up. What's going on, everybody? It wasn't out of gas. I believe it's a fuel pump. It's been raining all day, so I really couldn't hear. But a how to troubleshoot a no start for a Camaro coming up real soon, but I'm pretty sure it's probably going to be a fuel pump, so it's probably going to be a how to replace fuel pump video. Do you get the bearings and the spindle? That's all I got for now. Stay tuned for the fuel pump video. See you next time.